We had this Boxer butt and the speakers in the top, and he stopped talking. So I bought another one on eBay to sort of work out what was wrong, and I swapped all the parts around, and it turned out there seems to be, if you swap the lids, you see they're different colours. We had a blue one and a grey one, and I just swapped the top, which has got the speaker in, and the one that didn't talk started talking. So, new speakers from eBay. 8 ohms, 0.5 watts, hopefully the right size. So we're going to replace the speaker in the top here. Oh, I also want to check whether it really is the speaker that's the problem or the wire, because the other day the blue one started talking, didn't he?
Yeah.
He started talking and then he stopped again, which was a bit of a surprise. But that was after I'd already ordered the new speaker. But he stopped talking again, so something is still wrong, and we'll try and find out what it is. You always end up with fewer screws than you started with. There we go. So, bottom comes off. Try not to lose the screws. And now look. And then we need to get the top off. So, there's a little cover that comes off for the switch. Oh, the top lifts off, and there's just a few wires that connect to the circuit board on the back. This bit comes off. Nothing's really held together. The wheels will fall out, and so now I just need to. Oh, and the front panel comes off. It looks like that now. So I just need to disconnect this yellow and white connectors. And I've just noticed, do you know what? That wire, I don't know if it shows up on the video, that wire has been pinched, look. There's something not right about that wire. See, it looks like, I wonder if that's the problem. So now we just need to disconnect the yellow. There we go, that's the yellow one out. There we go. So put it in there. So now we've just got this and this. And inside is the speaker. There we go. Now, it does look to me as if this wire is a bit damaged. So I think what I'm going to do is get the continuity checker. Well, if we cut it off here, we assume that's the damaged part because we can see damage. So if I cut it off there and then strip and then do the continuity check again. Oh, there we go. Just strip off the sheath like that. Twist. Now we can test the continuity again. That's more like it. So now I have to solder that to that and that to that. So we got some solder on the wire. Yeah. Okay. Well, it was not pretty, but is it functional? Let's see. Okay. It is functional. Oh. That's no good at all. That's just broken off.
Hundreds and thousands. Oh, the other one, we're having hundreds and thousands. Those are called colourful squids.
Two.
They are different. They got these sprinkles. That's probably much better.
Doesn't quite fit, but I think with the cover on it should be held in place okay. So now is the moment of truth. We switch him on and see if he makes any sound. Ooh.
He sounds strange.
You can hear him, it worked. So now I'm going to do is put the screws in and he's fixed.
But he sounds funny.
He doesn't sound funny.
Maybe it's because...
Well, let's see. He might sound slightly different. He's got a new speaker.
He always sometimes does that, Daddy.